Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing a first impressions of Zoe's new Christmas range for 2018. So I have the Cosmos by Zoella body spray and the packaging is stunning. It's like kind of blue ombre into the clear and it has an iridescent, like, is that the word? Iridescent, and it's kind of rainbow effect. It's very metallic on the lid and it's got the little stars detailing on it as well, if this will focus without reflecting. And I also got the Wish Upon a Spa gift collection. This was £40, so this is obviously the big gift set and this was £12. I didn't get any of the other sets purely because pretty much everything is already in this. The only thing that I do still want to get is like the lip duos and also the bath oils, but I didn't get those. So at the moment I'm just trying to get off the little overleaf, but there's a few little sticky tabs on it, so I just need to get those off. And what I love about these gift boxes is that you can reuse them. I still have mine, like storing all my other beauty stuff, so yeah, it's really handy. So this is what the overleaf looks like. It shows you all the products that are in the box and it tells you in detail on the back what is like included in each item, like ingredients and stuff like that. So this is what the top of the box looks like. On this side it says Your Cosmic and this side there's just like star details. This side it's like little stripe type things with the Z for Zoella. And on this side you also have, all of them has the Z for Zoella, so I'm not going to repeat that. On here is more little stars, but not as big, like minuscule, can you see? You're so cute. And then back to the Your Cosmic side. So let's open up the box, and when you do so, you are greeted with all these little space coloured nuggets, which are so cool. And did you know that these are actually biodegradable, so if you like rinse them under the water they actually melt away, and yeah, it's not bad for the environment. So yeah, just giving you some useful information and what you could do with those, or you could use them for some sort of craft, I don't know. So yeah, the first thing I see is this little loofah, which is, as always, really cute, and there's nothing really much you can say about loofahs, they're just there. But yeah, it's really pretty and it's soft as well, that's always fun. Oh, I like this. So now we have the bubble soap, which is this gorgeous galaxy themed packaging with a navy lid, and it is the bubble bath. Zoella's bubble baths are always incredible, but I found the Drench Me to be the best one yet, so we'll see if this one tops it. Hopefully it does. You'll probably hear back in a monthly favourites if it does or not, but yeah, hopefully it competes with that. Ooh! Next we have this little headband. So like this could be used when you're in the bath chilling to keep your hair back and have a face mask on. That is so cute and it's so soft. And it's a big bow and it's navy, and yeah, I really like that. Now we have, oh again, the packaging is incredible. Like, as you'll probably know, I love outer space. So this canvas is like proof it's navy and it has stars on it, which is pretty much this packaging. So yeah, I love it, and it's it's not a baby pink, it's kind of, it's not quite fuchsia either. I don't know what kind of pink this is, but it's cute. I like it. And this is a body lotion, so we'll try that just now. We'll just put a little bit on here. Don't want to put on too much, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, again, the texture is really nice. I always find that our body lotions are like really nice in texture. Again, not too claggy. It's similar to our other body lotions, but I feel like it sinks in a bit better. Like, I found that the body sorbet was amazing in the summer thing because it was so light, but I found that the previous lotions were a bit thick, but this is really nice. I like it. It smells incredible. I didn't even smell this. Let's smell this. That's definitely the strongest scent yet. Oh, I can't pinpoint it. What is it? Let's see if it tells us on the information sheet what it smells meant to be. I think there's definitely like hints of vanilla in there, but I don't know. Where does it tell us? So the scent is vanilla and peppermint, and you can definitely smell the vanilla, and you can also smell the peppermint as well. It's like you can get notes from both of it, but it is hard to pinpoint the exact when there's the two of them mixed together. But oh my god, it is so nice. I'm not even the biggest fan of vanilla smells, but because of the peppermint, it like calms down the sweetness. It's really nice. Next we have the foaming body scrub. So obviously I'm not going to put this on my arms just now because I don't have water next to me to rub it off. But yeah, all you have to do is put this onto the skin and rub it in. I also find that our scrubs are really good because I don't think the exfoliant beads in it are too harsh, because I have really sensitive skin and I find that most exfoliators are just too harsh for my skin. But yeah, our scrubs are normally great, and if this foams up it's probably going to be even more gentle, which is great for sensitive skin. And again, packaging, white and lilac lid and stars. It's so cute. I love the packaging for this range so much. I think this is actually my favourite packaging that she's ever done. Yeah, and that's saying something because I like all her packaging. Last year's Christmas packaging was amazing as well with the copper, but no, I absolutely love this. This is by far my favourite packaging. Next we have the body whip, and it has the little line details that were on the box, and it's a plain white tub with the Zoella logo round about it, and it's silver and it has little stars, if you can see that. Yeah, I like it. It's like holographic with the rainbow going around it as well. It's really cool. So we'll open this up and try it as well. I'll put it on the bottom of my arm this time because I put the lotion on the top. Does this take a little bit? Let's not tip the full thing over my bed. Yeah, this is the lighter one. This is like very similar to the sorbet. It's not the same formulation because the sorbet had like, I don't even know how to describe it, but it's definitely not the same formulation, I don't think. But yeah, it's just as light as that, whereas the lotion's a bit thicker but not as thick as previously, which I like because I don't really like too thick lotions because then it takes ages to absorb into the skin and that's inconvenient. But yeah, it's amazing. The smell of everything is incredible. I love it. And I don't know if Zoe's bringing out a lifestyle range this year or not, but I hope she does because I love our Christmas candles. Please, 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 please. Oh yes, next we'll go for the Reach for the Moon hand cream. I always love our hand creams, but I'll wait till last to test that out so that obviously my hands aren't claggy and touching everything else in the box. Oh yes, now we have the Milky Way bath milk powder, and our previous bath milks have been amazing, so I'm really excited to try this. And yeah, I'm not going to open it up, otherwise it'll just explode all over my bed. But yeah, the packaging is stunning. It's holographic silver with the stars, and yeah, super simple and beautiful. That was the last item in the box, so we'll go back and try the hand cream now. Let's just put it on my hands because that's what you do with hand cream. And I'll rub it in. Oh, I think our formulations got better for this as well. Like our hand creams in the past, although they did absorb pretty fast, they were really, really, really thick, and they took a wee bit longer to like rub in. But no, this is amazing. This is great. And again, same scent. Oh, it's just amazing. I love the scent for this, and the packaging, as I've said, is like my favourite ever. And the last thing in the box is this Zoella Lucky Star over 200 prizes to be won. And on the back of it there's a unique code. Also, I'm not going to show you because then you'll see my codes. There's 200 plus prizes to be won in this, including Zoella beauty products and also a spa experience, and obviously loads more because there's 200 plus prizes. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you on the 1st of October for the start of Spooktober. I haven't mentioned this yet, but remember last year when I did 31 days of Halloween, which I uploaded a Halloween themed video or autumn themed video every single day in October? Well, I'm going to be doing that again. Last year it was called 31 days of Halloween. This year it's going to be called Spooktober. And yeah, I've already started pre-filming those, and oh my god, I cannot wait for you to see them all because I love Halloween. It's like my second favourite time of the year after Christmas, and yeah. I'm gonna go, and I'll see you the 1st of October for the beginning of Spooktober. Bye!